Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you a few pairs of shoes I recently got from SHEIN. It's my first time purchasing shoes from them, so I decided to why not share them with you. These are shoes that, you could still pull them off right now because it's still pretty hot. I know fall is coming and everything and everybody's gonna wear booties and stuff like that, but these shoes are still like perfect for right now because it's still pretty hot. So, but I only purchased like 4 pairs of shoes because I needed them. So, right? What else would you purchase shoes? Oh, because, well, they're cute. But anyways, I'm gonna get started. I only have a few of them, but I also did purchase, with that order I did purchase 2 shirts that I'm gonna kind of show you just briefly, because the first one is this one that I have on. Super cute, right? It had like the lace and stuff, and it doesn't have it's not adjustable in the back. This one's not adjustable at all. See? So, but it's pretty thin and airy, and I really like it for this super hot weather we have. So, but I will start with these shoes, and these shoes are a size 7, and I think they're called platforms. I want to say they're called platforms. If they're not, let me know, but these are platforms. So, and they're pretty lightweight, so I really like that they're lightweight. They're really nice. I would say they're true to size because I am a size 6.5 or 7, but just to play safe, I got a 7, and these fit just perfect. So yeah, the only thing with these is that when you walk on them, I will insert a clip somewhere around here, but I don't know if you'll be able to hear it, but it makes like an air, like you could hear the air when you walk on them. So hopefully with like me using them, it'll stop making that air noise, because it sounds like how would you say it? It sounds like a llanta que se está desinflando. Sorry, I don't know how to say it, pero that's how it sounds. So yeah, I just hope that with wear it that goes away, because other than that I love them and they're super lightweight, like I said. And the only thing is that this strap, this one, it's a little loose on me because I don't have wide feet, so this is pretty loose on me, and this one's alright, but for the price, I'm not returning these. I really like them. So I just hope I could not hear that air soon in them, and it'll be better. But other than that, I love them. So yeah. And the other pair, which is they're very similar. They're platforms too, but these are a little bit heavier. How cute these are! These are so cute. By the way, and all the shoes that I'm sharing with you, I got them in a size 7. All of my, like I said, I wanted to play safe, so I just got them in a 7. And actually, I'd say they're true to size because they fit just perfect. So, but these do feel a little bit, they feel a little bit heavier than the other ones. The other ones are a lot lighter, the white ones. These feel a little bit heavier, but I already wore these and they're really comfortable. And this is why I wanted to get some of these shoes, because me, I personally prefer wedges instead of heels. Just wedges are a lot more comfortable, but since wedges sometimes it's usually higher in the back and lower in the bottom, that's usually the wedges I've used. But since these are in right now, and I've been seeing them and they look so cute, and you're gonna need some height because I'm short. So these are amazing. Like it just gave me a little bit of height so I won't feel so close to the ground. But yeah, anyways, these are pretty nice. They have a buckle here. Cute buckle. It's a gold buckle, and they have like this little detail here, like little, I don't know what they are, but like 2 beads here and over here. I think it's a really nice detail. I like it. I honestly thought they were gonna be a lot more khaki, like light khaki, but they're actually like a taupe color, which I don't mind. It's still neutral, which I was going for because I like neutral in basically a lot of things, because neutrals go with everything. So yeah, I thought these were pretty awesome and I like them, and they fit really good too. So yeah. And oh, and these don't have that like air problem like the white ones. These feel a lot more sturdier from here, and I really like them. So yeah, another good purchase. I really love those because like I said, I already worn them, so they're really nice. They look really pretty on. So I will also insert a clip of that somewhere around here, a clip about these, so you can see how they look. And okay, so now the next pair, before I talk about the next pair, I want to talk about this top, because this is the other top that I also purchased from them. It's also a Cami. I don't know what is it about Camis, but Camis are really comfortable around this time. And this one is adjustable. This one does have the adjustable straps up here. So, but it's just a regular Cami. Just the print, obviously. That's what got me, the print. But it's also V-neck from the back. So it has a V-neck in the back, a really low V-neck on the back. So yeah, I really like these tops. But anyways, enough about the top. On to the next pair of shoes, which are some black slides. And there are these slides. They're also size 7. But something I do want to mention, I don't know if you can see it on there, but something I do want to mention, they did come like this. You see, this one has like a, I don't know if it's like a stain that it came with, but it really doesn't bother me because obviously like my foot's gonna go in there, so it really makes no difference to me. But I just wanted to point that out, that that's how they came. And also they have this like square shape in the front that I've been seeing a lot lately in shoes, which I think it's really cute. But yeah, other than that, I just wanted some simple black, specifically black slides. And yeah, I will insert a clip somewhere on here so you can see how they look on. But yeah, I really, and they're also a size 7, so the true size, because they fit me perfect. And the reason why I got these in flats and not like platforms is because whenever I buy shoes, I do like to stick to neutrals, but I do like to have the shoes in different styles. It doesn't matter if I absolutely love a pair of shoes. If I would have them all in the same style but different color, I feel like I would get really bored. So I just try to get them all different. So for these black ones, I opted out for the flat ones, which it's nice. So this last pair of shoes is actually, these you will actually be able to wear them in the fall because they feel like they're extremely warm, but it's actually a pair of slippers. So yeah, these are these. I think these were like the least expensive ones, if you would say, because I don't think none of these were expensive. They were really, honestly, they were really affordable, and plus they were on sale. 2 of them were on sale, just don't remember which 2, but I will link everything down below, and that way you could check it out, because I'm not sure if by the time this video goes up they will be available, or if the shoes will still be on sale. So I'll try to link everything down below for you guys. If not, we'll link something similar. But anyways, this is the last pair of shoes or slippers. This is the last pair of slippers. And these are also true to size because I ordered them. I'm not sure if they're 7, but because I think they had them in small, medium, and large. So these are a medium. This is medium in the back, so I don't remember if I saw a number on there, but these are a medium. And yeah, they fit amazing and they feel really, really soft. From the bottom, from the top, so I could totally slip into these when I get out of the shower and they're so soft. But yeah, we'll insert a clip of those up here somewhere too, so you guys could check them out. But yeah, I think these were the least the cheaper ones from all of them. But yeah, other than that, that's it, you guys. That's everything for this video. Since it was my first time, like I said, purchasing shoes from SHEIN, I thought I'd share them with you, and maybe you like to get some maybe for next spring or summer, or still wear them. I think we still could go like for another month probably to get a good use out of these. I think you could still pull them off for a month because it's pretty hot. And well, that is it for this video, you guys. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment down below if you have any questions of any of the shoes that I shared with you. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.